Are you looking for a pressure washer that's durable, long-lasting, and easy to use? Well, let me show you two options from our Worksite brand. Okay. First, we have our electric pressure washer. This one is $1,092.80. Then we have our gasoline pressure washer for $2,734.40. So, shop online at GYCP.com and get your Worksite pressure washers today.
Never again. At the end of the day, you ain't gonna change your way. You come back again.